Hello, my name's John Dexter. Have you lost the passion and enthusiasm in your photography lately? If you have, watch this video because I might be able to help you. Are you fed up with getting up at silly o'clock in the morning to catch a sunrise, or staying out late to catch a sunset that actually never happens? How many times have you been out and found yourself a wonderful composition, but the light just isn't right? Maybe you're running out of ideas or places to photograph and can't just jump on a plane to go to exotic locations. Do you not think that your images are as good as other photographers, or maybe you don't do very well in competitions if that's your thing? Well, this is where I found myself until I started to do abstract photography, which has changed my life and also given me back the passion that I once used to have. There's no such thing as the right light with abstract photography. You can take them on cloudy days, on sunny days, you can even take them at midday. You don't need sunrises or sunsets, none of it matters. The beauty of abstract photography is the things that you can photograph are absolutely limitless, from landscapes to seascapes, trees, old ruins, boats, people, even an old life ring. Your only limitation is your imagination. You don't even need loads of expensive gear. You don't even need a tripod, which is a great bonus to me because I used to absolutely hate lugging those things around. It is exciting, it's mystical. You never know what you're going to get until you get back to the computer and have a look at your images. This may not be for you, but I urge you to try it. What have you got to lose? It may renew the passion you once had in your photography as it did for me. So I'm going to be doing some future videos on how I capture these images, my techniques, the equipment I use and what I do in post-processing. So please subscribe to my channel and keep an eye open for my future videos. This is John Dexter. Many thanks for watching. Bye for now.